All right, praise the Lord. Welcome back to Sunday Morning Musician, where we are training you to be a Sunday morning musician. If you want to be a Saturday night musician, go somewhere else. This is a tutorial upon request by a friend for some preacher chords. Nowadays, almost every chord is a preacher chord, depending on the setting. But let's start off. This is kind of your basic, what we call one chord. What we mean by one is it starts on the one. Let me show you where that's called the Nashville number system. What we do is we take the scale, say this is E flat. We say, instead of just calling the name of the note, we call it by the number. So E flat is 1, F is 2, G is 3, A flat is 4, B flat is 5, C is 6, D is 7, and E flat once again is the 1. Okay? All right, so for this chord, what we're gonna do is almost like a D flat major chord. F in the top, D flat, A flat. Notice the D flat is not in that scale. All right, and then we're gonna throw in the C right there. All right, on the bottom, we're gonna put a E flat and a B flat and maybe another D flat, and we're gonna throw, because we're on the organ, we're gonna throw a E flat in the bass. All right, that's gonna give you that, and then we're gonna move up to the diminish. The diminish is going to be A, C, E flat, F sharp. The cool thing about diminish is that you can move them. They're every 3 note. And so, and it's actually, I believe it's not half diminished. It's a diminished with the flat 7, right? But anyway, so you do this. So this was your first chord. You're going to move up to here. And then you're gonna go here. That's B flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, and G. So to diminish, all right, and that's flat 7 chord over that E flat. All right, on that second chord, your bass wants to move to one of those diminished notes. You can keep the E flat at the bottom, but you want to move from off that D flat to maybe a C, maybe even a A, and then you can go back to that D flat or to the E flat when you get right there. All right, and all of that is over the E flat in the bass. All right, so let's move to the next one. Let's go to 2. All right, 2. F in the bass. In my right hand, I'm gonna say G, A flat, C, E flat, which is basically what that is actually a flat 7, but I just moved the G down here, and I have F in the bass. Put an F in the bass right there. Then you want to move to that diminish again, but this is gonna be a different one, right? This F sharp or G flat, A, C, E flat. That's that same diminish again. All right, and then we're gonna go. We're right back at the. We're really right back at the E flat again, but we had the G in the bass. So what that is, you can say G, D flat. You can do a G here, or you can do a F here. B flat, E flat. And you're gonna put a G in the bass. So what that sounds like, let me put a little. And you see how on the organ, I'm holding this E flat, that makes it kind of connects everything. All right, because you don't have a sustain pedal on the organ. All right, so now we just did, so we did 1, we did 2, flat 3. All right, now we're at 4. 4 is A flat. Bass gonna go to A flat. What we can do is G flat C is your tritone. right? And then we're gonna put an A flat on top of it. I throw that G flat on there, B flat, C, and E flat. I don't necessarily need that A flat again if I don't want it, because I have it in the bass. And I can kind of move what I just did right there. I just moved down to F minor, A flat, F, C. So this is B flat, G flat, D flat, and then I move down to A flat, F, C. All right. Then we gonna go up to the A in the bass. That's your diminish again. And these are basic to intermediate chords. A is the diminish. A, C, E flat, G flat, and then you get to your 5. On your 5, you can do a lot of different things. This is just a couple. You have the B flat in the bass. You can put an A flat on top of it. A flat. I'm doing A flat, B flat, C, E flat, and just doing that. Or if you wanted to, you can turn around. You do that D flat chord. F, D flat, A flat. Maybe throw that E flat on top of it over a B flat in the bass. Sorry, y'all can't see that. And then you can go back. You can go back to the 3, which is the G, D flat, F, B flat, E flat. All right, so we're back at 3. Back to 4. Diminish. This time I put a B natural in there. F, B, A flat. I'm sorry, F, B, E flat. G in the bass. Walk it down from the C. All right, back to the 1. And then let's go back to the 1 more time. Let's do this. This is E, D flat, G, C, which is the 6, and E flat. And I'm gonna flam off this G flat to the G. All right. And then other than that, you can throw little runs in there. I added the B flat on there. F, B flat, D, I'm sorry, F, B flat, B, E flat. I added the E flat on there. Added the F. And then give it some rhythm. Say 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm flamming off the B flat to the C. When we do these flams, flam off of pretty much any time. You can flam down from a black note to a white note. All right. Sometimes, from one note to another, D flat to E flat. When you do that, that's when you're making the organ talk. You see, y'all hear that? All right, it took me a long time to learn that. That's the reason why I'm giving that to you now. You want to do those flams, all right? All right, that's how you give it that sound that makes it sound like the organ is actually talking to you. Okay, but that's pretty much it. We do different patterns and stuff like that. You can go to the 4 A flat, same A flat chord. Go to the 6, which is the C. In the right hand, I'm saying E, A flat, B flat, E flat. I'm gonna go to a different chord on the 2. This one is a little bit different. This is A, D flat, E flat, G flat, and then go back to that 5. The A flat over B flat, and then back to 1. So all together that's a lot of this stuff has to do with just hand positioning and just keeping your hands in the same position. So like right here, the C chord, the 6 chord to the 2 chord, it's just the same hand position. And that's enough for right now. Let me know what you think in the comments. If there's something I could do better or something that you want me to do later, let me know. This was Sunday Morning Musician with David Madison.